Hey there friends on YouTube, my name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe please. If you've been here before, thank you. My next video is going to be on something a little more on the simplistic side, and that's called airplane mode. What it does and when to use it. I think a lot of people know about it, but they don't know all of the true facts of it, so I hope to explain all that in this video. So, what is airplane mode? Allow me to explain. Smartphones, cell phones, and most other mobile devices are equipped with a setting called airplane mode, sometimes known as flight mode. It's designed to turn off all the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, cellular, and data connections on your mobile device, which might hamper the various sensors and equipment found on commercial airplanes. If you've ever placed your smartphone next to a speaker and heard a loud buzzing or another strange interference sound, then you'll understand why airplane mode exists. It's generally pretty easy to implement. Just look for an airplane icon and tap it. You should always see an airplane icon in your notification bar at the top of your screen when you have airplane mode switched on. Typically, you'll be prompted to turn it on after boarding a flight directly before your plane takes off. There are sometimes slight differences between devices in what airplane mode does. But the main thing it always does is disconnects your cellular voice and data connection. If you turn on airplane mode on an iPhone, iPad, iTouch, or Apple Watch, it also disables Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. With airplane mode turned on, you'll still be able to use some apps and games, take photos with your camera, and play videos and music stored locally on your device. It basically just kills all internet, Wi-Fi, data connections and sort. In 2013, the United States Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, allowed the expanded use of personal electronics. This means that you can always use Bluetooth, which in short range on a flight to connect to devices like headphones. It also means you can use Wi-Fi on flights, assuming it's equipped on the plane. However, of course, the precise rules vary depending on the aircraft, airline, or the country you're in. If in doubt, ask before you turn any connections on that might interfere with an aircraft. Now you know what airplane mode is. I thought it was worth mentioning that it can come in handy for a few other situations besides flights. If you're like me that rarely travels, or if you're having trouble with your connections on your phone and you're struggling to get a signal, it sometimes is helpful to turn airplane mode on and off, as it basically is like turning your phone on and off. The best one, and the feature that works well, the one that I use the most, is when you don't want to be disturbed. Turn airplane mode on before bed and your phone won't wake you with an incoming text or email in the middle of the night. However, your alarms still work. When you want to extend your battery life on your phone, airplane mode is also a good way to do it, as long as you aren't waiting for a call or message that you won't be able to receive with airplane mode on. You should also find that your phone charges a bit quicker if you turn airplane mode on while charging. Another nice thing about airplane mode is that it stops your phone from emitting radiation, seeing as how it stops it from emitting cell phone signals. Of course, now the vast majority of phones emit only a small amount of radio frequency, or RF energy radiation, but if you don't need to be connected to your cell network, it's worth turning on airplane mode just to be ultra safe, and it really saves battery life. I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below, and until next time, I'm out.